In the previous video, we talked about this plastic carabiner. For this one, let me show you another design with cooler features. This is what the carabiner looks like when it first came out of the printer. To use it, we only need to slide this part in. This design has a special hole. Then for this latch, it has a triangle shape so it doesn't slip. The spring mechanism uses a zigzag shape to increase the flexibility of the plastic material. You can find a link to the STL file in the description. If you like this kind of content, please support me by clicking subscribe, and have a nice day.